Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're well. Today I'm going to take you through what I've put together as an emergency repair kit for my inflatable boats. Let's have a look. So these things tend to come pretty standard with most boats these days, and you don't generally get a lot in them. You generally get a tool, maybe a bit of glue and a patch or two. So I've put mine in one of these. I'll open this up in a minute. What I want to start with first is, you might have seen the videos I've done with this Flextail Max Pump, and the videos that I've done where I've demonstrated that it can be used effectively as an emergency pump. Even for a drop stitch craft, you can get enough air in it using this to get you home. So I think the answer to the question is yes, it would get you home safe. This will inflate your boat to about 1.5 psi, which, as I say, is just is enough to get you home. So yeah, that's small and compact, a great little pump to take with you if you're on a trip somewhere, just in case you need an emergency pump. Now, what's in this little tube of tricks? Standard, comes with it, valve removal tool. I do have some Elastick in here. I have found this to be faster drying than Storm Shore. This will cure really quick. That's gone tacky already. I'm really quite surprised. So if you're doing an overnight job, that could be really effective. Untested, Dr. Boat. If you leave this to cure overnight, this will create, you can just blob this into a hole, or over a hole, into a crease, into a seam, and it'll seal it, apparently. Going to do some tests on that coming soon. Oh, did that pop? And if you've seen the video where I did the field repair on Dave's boat on Leeds Canal, this is what we actually used. And this is the actual sticky tape, and the orange stuff, which you think is the tape, is actually the backing. So I do know that that's tough, that's tried and tested. What I've also got in here is some Tuff Tape. I have used this for other stuff, but I haven't used it on boat repairs. Tests coming soon. Now this one is predominantly for the Packraft, because Packrafts, made out of TPU, a lot of standard stuff doesn't adhere to them. So this is Tear Aid Type A. Now there are two types of Tear Aid. You can get Type A and Type B, and these are both Type A. And Type A adheres 90% immediately, and then in 24 hours it's 100% adhered. So this should provide good immediate protection for a patch. It should work quite quickly. These are just some patches that came with either the Aquaglide Expedition Packraft or the Aquaglide Cirrus, I can't remember which, and I've just kept those Tear Aid patches in there. So the key things here is Tear Aid for TPU, Tuff Tape, which I haven't tested yet, but it is renowned for being waterproof, and it is renowned for being quite resilient. Tyvek, which I have tested, and then there's a couple of glues. There is also a glove, a plastic glove, just in case I need to, you know, smear some of that around. Now what do you think? Have you tested any of those other tapes that I haven't tested yet? Let me know in the comments. What I'm planning to do is to take a boat out that is a bit damaged of mine and wreck it. I'm actually planning on putting a load of holes in it and testing all these methods out. Is that a video you'd like to see, so that we can see what works and what doesn't? What I will do is I will be testing it out on the water, so I'll be taking it out somewhere, putting holes in it, paddling back in it with all the tests on. Something along those lines. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that video. Alright, thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.